In front of me is Google Pixel 10 Pro, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. First, launch Settings and scroll to click on this section called Security and Privacy. Then tap on Device Unlock available here. And when you're ready, select Screen Lock section. From it, you need to decide which locking method you wanna apply by clicking on one of those: pattern, PIN, or password. After you decided, it's time to create it. If you made a mistake, don't worry, just hit clear at the bottom left corner and redo it. If you are ready and sure that this is your chosen locking method, hit next at the bottom right corner and repeat it to confirm it. Then select confirm. Now it's time to answer this question. What do you want your lock screen to show? Show all notification content, show sensitive content only when unlocked, or don't show notifications at all. Whatever you decided, when you finished, hit done. So now when I go back, switch off my screen and turn it back on, I can see that pattern is required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!